In this class activity, you'll be plotting the locations of approximately the center of Landsat 8 scenes as they were collected from a satellite and as they cover portions of central and western Oregon. So in order to do this, you're going to do all of these four items listed here. First, you're going to plot these coordinates shown below onto the map. You can see there's a latitude number and then there's a longitude number to the right. You can also see going down the list that the latitude tends to decrease for the first four, and then it goes up just about as high as the first one again, decreases again, once again goes up about as high as the first one, and decreases again. So that might give you a hint of what your final pattern is going to look like. Three kind of sequences where the latitude is decreasing, but the longitude is also showing variations, but in that same sort of four at a time type sequence. Once you've plotted those points, you're going to connect the points to represent how Landsat passed overhead. And this you can get from the lecture. And the other thing that you're going to do is you're going to draw arrows on your map to indicate which way the data was collected. And once you do that, you're going to upload your final map to Blackboard. So let's just get started with the very first one here. The first point of latitude is 46.1 degrees and 122.3. I'll flip over to the map here. We can see here's 45, here's 46, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each one of these is approximately 0.2. So 46.1 would be right around in here. And the other coordinate, 122.3. Here's 122 and here's 123. So 122.3 would be approximately here. And then we're just going to put a point on the map at 46.1 and 122.3. And since we're in PowerPoint, we can just put this on as a circle if we want to. We'll hold the Shift key, and then I'll just kind of draw a circle on once again at 46.1 and 122.3. So 46.1 would be about here, 122.3 would be about here, and I'm going to draw on that circle. So you'll go ahead and do that for all of the points here, and then you'll see a pattern. And as I indicated, it kind of runs north-south, but then it's going to come up high again, and there's going to be other lines across the map as well. Once you have all those drawn, you can once again use this to draw an arrow and whatever, not that way, but whatever way you think the Landsat was passing over the land based on how those points were put down on the map and in what order, and also by referring back to the reading. And then that will complete this first class activity.